Once upon a time, there was a man called Sean. He was walking all around when he saw a parrot attacking it. When he done that, then he fired fireworks everywhere. Then he went up high and he steered the steering wheel. He was keep on attacking me. I was running away up to the steps, looking at my telescope where it's coming, but it attacked me again. So then he had a plan. He would let it. Then the hunters came. They were making a fire to get the parrots. The shark was extremely ready, and the hunter's boss was very angry as well. He was exercising stuff like this. The robot was seeing what he could do with his calculations. So he went on the lab and done his calculations. Then Mr. Angry Man was just like singing the guitar to win. But nothing will happen from that. That is the middle of my story. Then they saw the parrot coming. They were extremely surprised. The boy was like, "Oh, Dad, get that bird. He was attacking me." Then the shark did a big fire and it went away. But then its other friend came again by attacking him. The boy, "Ow," said the boy. "This parrot is too hard to beat." The angry man and this robot went to get him. But they got him first.